Faratha!
I love Faratha! Hold it. So quick. Oh man, these guys must make loads of these. Wow, that's incredible. I can watch this all day. It's like mesmerizing. It's hypnotic. And then at the end you get those delicious roti. Wow! Papa Faratha. And check this. Oh man, these guys must make loads of these. Look how thin that turns out. Oh, and straight onto the hot. Wow. Oh man, and look how they puff. Oh, those look beautiful. Uh-huh. Girl is full and went on hold. Ooh. Sorry.
You know Indian what we call it? What you call that? We call it chapati.
Chapati, not paratha.
Yes, paratha, but chapati.
Okay. Chapati. They look nice.
Faratha in Bhojpuri, you know Bhojpuri?
Yeah. Okay, so paratha and Bhojpuri.
Indian chapati.
Chapati.
Yeah.
Ah,
Now you know what
interesting.
chapati is?
Same as paratha, just a different language. You can put a little bit of chili. Just a little bit. I'm getting better. Oh, look at that. Classic paratha, straight off the grill.
Here it's getting made. I think this is the chicken one.
Yeah, it's a chicken.
Oh, look at how much chicken there is on that. Oh, wow. Here comes mine. This is fish vindaya with chili. Oh, yes, please. Can I have a few of the green chilies on top? Oh, yes, beautiful. Oh, I'm going to sweat today. I'm going to sweat today. Thank you so much. So this is an actual surf roti. So that's a deer roti. Never seen one before. Just a little bit on that. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Thank you. So here we go with our surf roti unboxing.
Paratha, yeah, okay, paratha. It's a little bit puffier, so that you know the difference. See, the bread is thicker and puffier, I think. But correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, you can see the waves crashing.
Nice.
See if we can focus up to the beach. Yeah. Eating from the chili side.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool.
Oh man, this is a good roti. It really is, well, Faratha technically.